Hello friends, welcome back to my new video. Today in this video, I gonna show you to change the username of your account in Windows 10. So let's go and start the video. Now first of all, open Control Panel. Now you see different types of options, so just select Change Account Type. Now you can see this type of interface, so just click here in this section. Then you see interface like this with 4 options, so just click on Change the Account Name. Now here you can get option to change your account name, so just click here and enter your new account name. Then click on Change Name option. Now your account name is changed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.